bucket of water.
A bucket of water.
Look, a shower head and a pump. Today, you guys, welcome to the review. We're doing a review of this portable camp shower. Has a lot of options. Could also be used to wash a dog. Could also be used to water your plants, which is actually what we're going to show today. This is pretty neat. Yeah, this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So that's the pump that you drop down in there.
With the light, you can see how clean your water is.
Oh, that's kind of cool. This is well water in here, so it's
just
has a lot of air in it. This comes with a shower head type shower. It also comes with one of these, like if you're camping and you want to wash dishes, this would be perfect for that. It also, oh, it's on, Greg, it's on.
I don't know how to make it not on.
There you go. I turn it all one way and it should go off, pretty much off. So it does come with, also real quick, I want to show you, this is to mount your shower head. So like you could suction cup it to the back of your RV. It comes with the suction cups and a hook as well. And then a nice little bag to keep everything in. It is USB-C rechargeable. All right, so we have the shower head on it to kind of show this to you guys. How does it work?
Push the button down to turn it on and then back up to turn it off.
Okay, and then the dial gives you the amount of power?
Amount of power.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty good.
Good enough to get shampoo
That's
out
good
of your
enough
hair.
to wash my hair. So we were going to show you guys how easy it makes it to water your plants. So let's say you have some plants that are a little bit further away from your hose. You just pull a bucket of water with you. I know, right? And you could just water the plants, which is kind of nice. Oh, that is really, really cool. So like I said, not only great for camping, you could use this to wash a dog. You could use this camping. You can use it to water your plants. That's really neat. We'll put the other head on it as well just to show you guys what that looks like. So the pump here has a light on it, which we just shut off, but we also wanted to show you that it shows the % battery that's left, and that's the temperature of the water. And this is 68-degree water.
Yeah, because the hose was 68.
That is so cool. So like I said, if you're using this for a shower, you can leave this black bag out in the sun all day with the water in it, and that's going to heat it up so you'll know when you're ready to take a shower. When you don't have access to warm water, camp showers.
3 digits.
Yeah, camp showers are great. So then it's got this little shower head, dishwashing type head on it as well. That's pretty cool.
That puts a lot of water on the tomatoes.
Yeah,
fast.
look at that. Just spray it out that way.
I'll tell you what, if that other one doesn't get the soap out of your hair,
This one definitely will.
That's a lot of water.
That is a lot of water. That's so cool. Wow, I'm impressed. For being USB-C rechargeable, look at that. I'm impressed. So if you didn't have a camper where you could take a shower and you were out like tent camping or boondocking or something like that, this is definitely going to be helpful. Again, even if you were camping and your dogs needed a quick bath, that would be nice. It's got the light on it, which is awesome. It's got the shower head. It's got the dishwashing head. And it's got a bag to keep all the stuff.
So you can see how deep your water is.
Yeah, I like that. That's got the, and then it's a little.
Just take it and move it.
There you go. But this is pretty cool. The next time we go camping, Greg, you might have to actually put it to the real test.
I will.
And take a shower with it. We definitely recommend this. This is a nice little portable shower.